Hello everyone, welcome back. This is FK from the Black Box, right? So today we'll be looking at Bitcoin at the 4-hour time frames, right? At the 4-hour time frame. And before that, let me show you this thing that I was waiting for, this thing to reach that higher thing. As you can see, I had placed a TP right there. As you can see, this is a TP. Let me bring it up there. So as you can see, this is a TP riser, so that is where it is going. Bitcoin is now running higher. As you can see, today is now February 24th. I mean February 8th. February 8th, and it is Thursday, right? It is Thursday. If you wanna check it out. So as you can see, I believe that this thing is going to that week right there, and it will continue up. I already told you that this is the fourth model of the black box right there. In a bigger picture, that is beautiful. Beautiful. There is no flaw, there is no problem, there is no difference. It is the fourth model of the black box right there in your face. And as you can see, what do you see here? The first manipulation right there. It is the fake out, the first fake out. Then what happened? The second fake out happened down here, making a wick right there. Then when it was trading around here, I told you that it is gonna break to the upside. When it breaks that upper band, we are buying. I told you that we will be buying that thing, and we are most likely going up. I told you that, right? Because this thing would not go to the upper levels too close, just like this one. If we were break and retest, if we were the third model were in play, this retest, there is no retest just like this one, right? There is no retest just like this one. A retest is like this one, just like this. This is a retest, a break and a retest right here, break and retest right here, right? So let me make sure if we are on the same page. Yes, we are recording. Let me decrease it a little bit and let me put it around here, so we will be starting the 4-hour time frame. Right, as you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame. We are on the 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin dollar right here on Bitstamp. So as you can see, this is a huge consolidation. As you can see, the huge peak right here. If you want to measure this thing, it is huge. That is your TP. That is a whopping 2,800 pips. Crazy, crazy people. It's crazy. 8,008. I mean 2,800 pips rise. 6.7% increase in the Bitcoin price. As you can see here, what happened? I put a black box around there. Why? Let me go to the 2-hour time frames. It was yesterday that I did that. As you can see, what do we have? We had a consolidation right here. We had a beautiful consolidation. Beautiful. The problem is that I didn't see this. I was trading on my phone and I didn't look at Bitcoin yesterday at all. I didn't. And what happened is I am checking it now, right now. I didn't look at it. I was trading on forex, on the forex, on the currencies and the gold. I yesterday I bought gold and I made a profit, and today at morning I bought gold again and I made a profit, and then on the 4-hour time frame, and finally after taking my profit, it retraced and made a fake out, and that fake out ended up being the third model. So someone could have sold that thing, but after taking my profit, I closed my phone and went to my business, right? So as you can see, I didn't look at this thing. If I had bought this thing on 5 lots, with 5 lots or 1 lots, this is huge. This is huge. What I told you was, you can see the video, you can see my previous video on it is time to buy Bitcoin before March. Okay, that is the title. You can watch it, and This will explain, that video will explain everything. Before this thing happened, I told you that it would happen, this would happen. And as you can see, it's crazy, it is crazy, it's crazy. Yeah, when was that? I actually bought this thing right there. I showed you the video, you can watch it right there. What is this? The third model right there. What happened here? Consolidation to countries, the third smashed the downside. We sold that thing, sell that thing, and smash the upside. You buy that thing, and TP right there smashed and got out earlier. So as you can see, it is pushing. It is pushing hard. It is pushing hard. It is not. There is no reason to stop because TP is never hit. TP is exactly right there. Right there, it never ends. That is a 3000 pip movement right there. A 3000 pip profit right there. This TP is 3000 pip right there. So it is huge, no joke. There is no joke. So our black box is working like charm. It is beautiful. Let me show you on the weekly. Yeah, so on that time frame it will be easier. It is easier. As you can see, when this thing was trading around here, I told you that this thing would go up and smash that thing, okay? And I told you this week will be covered. As you can see, this thing is covering this week right there. Isn't this beautiful? It is beautiful. I know that most of you are not staying until this end because you have no attention at all. So you just want to see flashy things. Every second, Lamborghini is moving, and the mansions, the villas, the rich people showing their Rolex, and everything, and that flashy things. That is not what you have to see. What you have to see is this. What you have to see is improve yourself. What you need to do is improve your financial status, not make them rich. When you are watching their video, you are making them rich, right? What is wrong with you people? If you are staying until here, I know that you are committed, and I believe that you are making the right decision, and you will be benefited. More than 80% of the traders that are wandering around in the forest, they don't know which way they should go, right? So I believe in you, and you will make it. So as you can see, this thing happened. So there is nothing that is gonna stop this thing. All right. I told you that after hitting that TP, we would make some kind of wick, and that will happen. Believe me. And that kind a little wick, just like this one, wick. A wick will be formed from on the upside, and another candle will start, and that candle will somehow, that candle could be a bearish candle, but I don't think that would happen. But the main thing that will happen is this thing right here, right there, will make a wick, and that wick covered will be covered by this kind of candle right there, this kind of candle right there. So I told you that our TP is where? Right there. Where? At exactly 52,000. At exactly 52,000. That is where Bitcoin will stop its rally. That is where Bitcoin will stop and think again. It will consolidate around here. Believe me, and you will watch it. So, anyways, let's get back to our today's topic. Today's topic is we'll try to prove that the black box works on all time frames. I showed you on the weekly on Bitcoin, right? I showed you on the monthly on Bitcoin, and I showed you on the daily also. Everything, everywhere it works, and every time we made a profit, we made huge profit, and that is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is amazing, amazing. The brokers will be annoyed. Brokers will be annoyed at this time, right? Because every time, if we win every time, then what are they going to get? What are they going to get? They don't get anything. So let's get back to here, right? So yesterday I was trying to show you, but I couldn't because the connection was very slow. So today is it is better. Today is amazing. Today is amazing, beautiful. Let's make it happen, right? So let's start from here. Let's start from here. So as you can see, so take notice here. Take notice. Take some notebook. Take your pen and listen carefully, right here. Listen carefully. So what happened here? We consolidate, right? 1, 2, 3 candles. Satisfied. The fourth candle formed. The fifth candle formed, right? This is a 4-hour time frame. Seventh. I mean, the sixth, then the seventh, then the eighth. The candle broke out, right? That is where we buy, and so then the TP is right here. TP is smashed by this second candle. Okay, TP smashed. Let me bring it in a little bit closer. As you can see, this low is here. The high is above there. The high is above there, right there. So as you can see, this is a huge consolidation right there. So what happened here is we found a support right there, right? We found a support and the TP is hit right exactly there. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. That's a 4-hour candle, and there is a huge big price there. It is no joke. It is no joke. As you can see, if you get 50% out there, that is 814 pip. 840 pip right there. So that's huge. Then you lay the other run. As you can see, TP3 rise there as that candles close, and you can get out there. But if you don't want to get out and you want to trail and you want to wait for another more profits, then you could do that and trail your stop halfway. Trail your stop halfway. When this thing moves, then halfway. So what happened here is after that thing formed, it is halfway right there, right? Your stop loss, right? Then this thing smashed to the downside. As you can see, this thing smashed to the downside. So what do you do now? You are out. You are out in profit, right? I don't know, thousands of profits right there, thousands of pips. So that would have been a great trade right there. So nice consolidation right there. Okay. Next, what happened? The next thing is 1 and 2 and 3, right? This one, and this one. The three candles. And the fourth one broke. The same thing, TP projected upward, and that is TP right there, smashed. Your stop loss around here, and the market came back and got you out of the trade. So uh, you are in profit. You don't even care. That's beautiful trade right there. And what do we have here? 1, 2, and 3 right there. 3 candles. The fourth one broke right there. TP right there. The second candle fulfilled it. After retracing back, it came back and got you out of the trade. 50% out. Let the other 50% run. Your stop loss above your entry, below your entry. So that if the market retraces, you are in profit already. So you don't even care. Then TP3, TP4 hit. Beautifully nailed it. Then your stop loss would be around here, and the market smashed you out of the trade. So beautiful trade right there. Second trade. Next, what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Right here, 5. So let me put it around here, around the body. What happened here is, as you can see, this thing happened. I mean, smashed this upside, right? You enter a buy right there. You enter a buy, and what happened is you are in profit. If you want to trail your stop, you can trail your stop. So trailing your stop has a benefit right here. Benefit, it has a huge benefit. Where do you trail it? After this thing has moved a lot to the upside, you trail it to above your entry. So you do not even care if the market comes back, right? So you are in profit right there. Then this thing came down, then you say enter a sell, right? You enter a sell. Then what happened? You are in profit yet still the same thing, right? So your stop loss is below your entry, you are in profit. Then what happened? It broke. This thing broke. So what happened here? What do? You buy right here. You buy, right? So after you bought that thing, market came back and boom, your TP smashed right there. TP smashed right there, and what you're gonna do is you let the other run. You let 50% run, and you get out 50% will be out. Pocketed on your pocket, right? So profit will be half will be out, right? You take half and you leave the half profit right there. And the market run and run smashed up there, so your stop loss would be around here. So but it didn't move a lot. So if you want to trail it close, I don't recommend that. Don't trail it too close, right? So because that thing is not beautiful. That is not beautiful. As you can see here, the next what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one broke again. I mean the third one broke, right? As you can see here, when you make it like this one, the third one broke. 2, 3, 4. The fourth one broke. You enter a buy, as you can see. You trail your stop up above there, right? So you are in profit. The market smashed you, got you out of the trade. Then what happened? You wait because that consolidation is not over yet, because this consolidation is over until after the market leaves this place. If the market comes back to this thing, then we are still in play, because we have four models that we need to consider, and those four models would give us a lot of profits. So as you can see, smashed you out of the trade. Then because you trailed it too close, that is a smart thing to do. And then the market came back. It never broke to the downside, still in a consolidation, right? Because this is a wick, not a body. If this was a body, then we would consider this consolidation as over. But this is a wick, right? We don't care about wicks, we care about the bodies, right? So what happened is this thing smashed to the upside again. Then you enter a buy. Then TP smashed. TP is hit exactly right there. Your TP is hit halfway right there. You let your stop loss above there. 50% out. Let the other 50% run for more profits. As you can, this is the TP, not the wick, right? Not a wick. So as you can see, this thing moved further and further to the upside right there. Okay, right there. So what happened here is you would get out around 0, right? If you don't want to wait for this thing, because this thing could have uh, consumed 1 day or more of trading, right? So as you can see, right in profit right there. So then you would be in profit, and then some kind of candle, this candle could get you out of the trade if you trail it too close. If you don't, then this thing could go up and up, and this candle will surely get you out of the trade, because this thing moved down a lot, so you are already out. So then if you got out early, then you would enter again here, because this is a third consolidation. This is a real breakout. This is what the first model of the black box right here. So boom, smashed, TP hit right there. Let me adjust it a little so it is equal. So as you can see, TP hit, I think it is not hit, it is too close, but that thing opened, and your stop loss is above here, so you don't care. Then this thing smashed to the downside, so you'd be out with a little profits, but because this thing smashed to the downside. Then what happened next? 1, 2, 3, 4 thing happened right there. So how do you close this thing? All right, how do you use the black box on this thing? Is by using this trend line. As you can see, the trend is the downside. When this candle breaks the upside, we are going up, because this trend is broken, right? As you can see, the same thing here too. Then what happened? This thing broke. You enter a buy, TP right there smashed, 50% out. Let the other run halfway, your stop loss. This thing smashed you, you are out. What do we have here? We got some consolidation around it. So you can see 3 candles in a row, right? 3 candles in a row. Then what happened? This thing broke. This thing broke, you enter a sell right there, TP smashed, 50% late run, 50% pocketed, and then your stop loss is below your entry. Then this thing smashed back, and this candle will get you out of the trade. Next thing, what happened? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Then what you gonna do now? What do you do now? Connect it like this. There is nothing more you can do. That is what you gonna do right there. Right? Then this thing broke, your TP would be around you. Your TP, you would get out right there. You'd get out right there. Okay? And then what happened? And then what happened is this thing came back and got you out of the trade because you trailed your stop up there, and the break and retest does not want this kind of thing. The break and retest, if you trail your stop loss, it will get you out of the trade. The second model will get you out of the trade because it wants to support this area, this black box, the box. It wants to support the box. So as you can see, once this thing makes a wick and forms I mean, what the hell? I mean, this red candle, then you would enter because this thing is a break and retest. This is the second model, right? So we have 4 models. You are navigating the markets with the 4 models. You know what is gonna happen next. You know when the market does that thing, what it will do, right? It will be either the 4 of them, one of the 4 models. So there is no any unique thing that would happen. Then, as you can see, you would enter again after being in profit because you are entering with your profit, right? You sell that thing, and then this thing came down, right? This thing came down, you sold right there. This thing came down, TP hit right there, right? Because you are waiting for TP3. TP3 is around here, as you can see here. Take note. You would forget it if you watch it just by using your eye and just chilling. If you are chilling, don't do that. You have to take notes. So you can see PC smashed right here by this big cut. Boom, came back, and if you trail your stop, you would be out right here, right? You would be out right here by this big candle. Boom, right? So if your trade, I mean, if your stop loss were where you entered, if your stop loss were where you entered, because your stop loss would be where? Right there, right here. It would be right there, halfway of this box, because the retest has already happened and this thing has moved away. So in the first place it would be halfway. As the retest already happened, this thing moved away, right? So if you trailed your stop, then this thing could get you out of the trade and moved more, right? As you can see. But initially also it has already moved a lot right here. So you would miss only these moves, so it's okay. You would miss only these ones, right? These ones. If you trail your stops, these ones, so it is not a huge, it is not a very huge peep right here. It could be hundreds of. Jesus Christ, that is 1500. Jesus Christ, that is what? Oh my goodness, Jesus, 3500 pips. That is not right. 3500 pips, what? It's crazy. So yes, it was 5000, I mean 7000. Sorry, let me start from here. 7000, yes, it was 7000 yesterday when I 9000, yeah, 9500. From there your entry to here, that is a 9000 p price there on a 4-hour time frame, right? So beautiful trade. It's beautiful. So what do we have here? We have no consolidation. Why? This thing is short and this thing moved up a lot. This is trending, and these are only 2, not 4. If this thing had folded up, then this is a consolidation, but it didn't fold, so we are still not in a consolidation. What about here? We are in a consolidation around it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect it like this one. You sell this thing because it's the fourth candle broke, your TP smashed, your stop loss above your entry, and this thing came back and got you out of the trade. Beautiful. That is beautiful right here. Then what happened? Couple of candles, right? A couple of candles, and the third one came back to the downside. That's beautiful. So you are going to use this thing again, right? But if you don't want to do this thing, all you gotta do is look it as a bigger picture, right? This is a bigger picture. So let me show you here. As you can see, the bigger picture looks like this, right? So this is the previous consolidation, and this is the second consolidation, or you can make it around here, but I don't advise you. I advise you to make it like this one and connect the bodies too, because there is no equal thing right here, and this is a base. This is a base of this thing. So what happened is, in either ways, it broke this consolidation right here, right? This consolidation was broken to the upside right there, boom. Two boxes were broken, so you enter a buy, boom. TP smashed, your TP, you take half away, you pocket it right there, the third TP. On the third TP you would get out. You trail your stops halfway, trail when this thing moves, trail and trail it, then this finally will get you out of the trade, because your stop loss would be around it. Then as you can see, it came back. No consolidation around here, nothing here too. We got nothing here, because as you can see, this thing okay, this can be a consolidation, as you can see. All right, what is happening here? Come on, you're gonna start your okay, let's use this thing. As you can see, let's use this thing. Come on, don't refresh. What the hell is wrong with this thing? It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. It started again. It's no good. It is no good. It is no good. It is not good. As you can see, we have reached there. Is there? Come on, buddy. So crazy. What the hell? It is just a chart. What the hell is going on here? It is like it is downloading a movie or something. It's just a chart. Come on, man. It's crazy, bro. Right. Okay. We are here, as you can see. We are still here moving up, so we will reach that one in no time. If this thing do not disturb us. So as you can see, we are up there. Okay, let's continue. What happened here? Where were we? Right there, right? So close this thing. So you connect it like this. So the third candle broke out the upside, and then you buy TP hit and you let the other run 50%, and this thing smashed you out of the trade. Then another consolidation. Connect it like this, the bodies. Then it's broke. TP hit 50%, let the other 50% run, 50% out. Stop loss below your entry, and this thing came back right there. So you would get out right there. And then what happened next? This thing consolidated, as you can see. And then what happened? You sell, because still it is still consolidating right there, as you can see. You sell. Then what happened? TP hit, because if you measure your TP is hit, There's no doubt about it. Your TP is hit exactly right there. As you can see, boom. TP hit 50% run, stop loss above your entry, and then this thing smashed you buy again. Buy, TP hit right there, 50% run, let the other run, and then this thing came back and smashed you. Right? Then we consolidated again, so this thing connects all of them. Just like this one. This thing broke, you enter a buy, this thing supported, boom, TP hit right there, you let the other 50% run, and this thing came back. And another consolidation, three consolidation right there. What happened? It broke, TP hit right there, 50% run, stop loss downhill, and then you let the other run, right? And this thing came back, where it moved more than TP3, as you can see. TP3 is at this consolidation, this moved more than TP3. If you are gotten out early, then you got another consolidation, right? There is another consolidation right there. So you would sell this thing, TP hit, 50% run, your stop loss is below your entry, then this thing smashed you out of the trade, then you are in profit. Beautiful. Nothing here, only 2 candles, we don't want that. Here 3 candles, we want this thing. Beautiful. Connect this thing, right? Just like this one. This thing smashed the downside, you sell, then TP smashed. I think TP was hit, I think, yes. Or wasn't it? Yes, it wasn't. It wasn't. The second candle came back and shoot you out of the trade. So, and your stop loss down here, because this thing moved down a lot, so your stop loss will be out. And you could trail it to halfway too, if you want, right? So, and this thing came back and got you out of the trade. Then what happened here is interesting. As you can see here, this thing, the third candle got, broke the structure, the box, and then you enter a buy, TP hit right there. TP hit, you let the other 50% stop loss above your entry, then this went to TP3 right there. More than TP3 actually, right there. So as you can see, TP4 right there, your stop loss around here, and it smashed around here, it smashed around there, then this came back. Right, then we got another here, connect just like this one, TP hit where? Right there, TP hit, right? TP hit, and we'll get out 50% run, you let the other 50% run, halfway your stop loss will be down. Then you got another trade, another consolidation connected like this one. In this case, what happened is your TP was not hit. Your TP was not hit, your trailed stop loss would protect you right there. That is why you trail your stops. Was it hit? I think it was hit. Right there. Yes, I think it was hit. If it was hit, then 50% will be out right there. Yes, just like this one. Yes, it was hit, I think. 50% would be out, and then halfway, above your entry, the stop loss. Smashed it. Then right here, what do we have? We have a doji, and this thing is not a consolidation, we pass. This thing is not a consolidation. Then what do we have? We have a consolidation, right? This thing consolidated around it. How do you connect it like this one? Right? This one, this thing broke, TP hit, boom, 50% run right there. Then this thing came back and got you out of the trade and went up. You are in profit still. Then next we got another consolidation right here. what happened here? You enter the buy where? Right there. The fourth candle, not the third. So fourth candle, you enter a buy and TP hit. I think TP was hit. TP hit exactly right there. It was too close, but it was not hit. I think. As you can see, it was too close, but not hit. So what happened is this thing went up and got you out of the trade, 50% out. You let the other run 50%. Your stop loss would be where it would be around above your entry, right? It would be above your entry, but in this case, what happened is this thing got you out of the trade and moved up. Then that is where you enter a buy, right? You enter a buy again, and then what happened is it moved up, right? It moved up. So you measure the TP3 using this right here. Right there. Right there is your TP3. TP3 is mostly hit, so 50% you let the other run. So your stop loss should be around here. You let the other run, your stop loss around here. And this thing got up, your stop loss around here, and this thing came back and got you out of the trade. And look where it moved. It moved like a monster. This is huge. This is crazy. Look at this. It's crazy. So this thing happened. So because you trailed too close, you did the right thing. Okay, you don't need this. You don't need this because no one knows. This could come back and eat you, right? Eat you alive. But we are in profit already, right? But if you want, you can let it run. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. The fourth one is 6 sevens. We connect it like this. And then what happened here is it broke the downside, right? It broke the downside, as you can see. Trailing your stop loss has huge benefit, just like this one, just like this, just like this. So what happened is broke, you sell, then you are in profit around it. TP was not hit, but TP was not hit. So what you're gonna do is your stop loss above your entries, and this thing came back. This thing came back, and right there you would get out right there. So you are in profit if, because you trailed yourself below the entry level. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. 5. Another thing. Then this thing broke. TP hit by this thing, and look what it did. It came back and supported your entry above your stop loss above your entry. Then you lay the other run, as you can see. This thing supported. This thing could get you out of the trade right there if you trailed it too close. So if it is at your entry, then you would not get out, but it is below your entry. So what happened here is you would be out, and you enter again because this is a break and retest right here. You enter again. You would get out if this thing comes back to right here to this band. You would get out just below halfway of this box. That is not great, because this could be a single fake out and the third model, and this could come back, right? So but this thing never came back to this box, so it went up. So you enter a buy, boom, it went to your third TP right there, right? Your third TP is right there, and it stopped trading. Stopped trading, another trade right there, boom, the third candle, the fourth one broke, the third closed, the fourth retested. You would enter right there, sell, boom, TP hit right there. Stop loss where? to your entry right there, and this thing came back and got you out of the trade. Then what? Another trade right here. How do you connect it? You connect it like this one right there, just like this. This will be small. As you can see, what happened? As you can see, what happened? This thing broke. You enter a buy, and almost instantly, I told you to trail your stops after this thing has moved a lot, right? So this thing didn't move a lot. It is still here. So you're not touching your stop loss. Do not touch your stop loss at all, right? There is no touching. It is down here. Don't touch it. So what happened is it moved up a lot, right? So this thing moved a lot up there. So you'd trade your stop to your entry. Above your entry, this thing could get you out of the trade in profit. Then you'd enter a buy. As it's supported and moved away because you'd enter a buy. And the same thing, in addition to that, you got another setup right there too. Because this third candle came back up, and you can buy right there. You can buy right there. This is a confirmation that this is a support, right? But box is supporting this thing. So as you can see, this moved up, and your TP3 is smashed like always. Like always, I have showed you on live trades too. So you can see TP3 after TP3 resisting consolidated and came back. We don't have any trade because these are a couple of candles. We don't want that. Never. Never. Around here, we have something. As you can see. This thing broke, supported, and this thing moved up a lot. So that is where you trail your stop above here. TP hit a 50% out, let the other run. This thing moved up a lot, so you trail it halfway right there. Not too close, halfway is enough. Then this thing smashed a lot, then halfway right there. Halfway. Then this thing moved a lot, then halfway right there. Then this candle got you out of the tree. Right there, you'd get out. Beautiful, right? It's beautiful. Then what happened here? Another consolidation right here. As you can see, then what happened? This thing came down and hit your TP, right? Your TP hit beautifully, and your stop loss is below your entry. Beautiful, and this thing never came to your entry, right? Your stop loss. So in order not to pay for swaps or something, then you would get out before this thing consolidated, because this thing consumed on traded for one day, one full day, because 6 candles form 24 hours, right? 6 times 4 is 24. So this 6 candles, 2, right? 4, and this 5, and this 6 candles, so one day of trading. So you'd get out around here because you don't want to wait. But if you want to wait, you can let it happen. You can let it run. As you can see, the next day this thing happened. You enter a buy, TP hit right there, let the other run, boom, 50% around here. Then this thing got you out of the trade, came back. Then what happened here? 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3 right there. This thing broke out, you sell, boom. You sold that thing, your stop loss below your entry, because it moved a lot. Not smallish, a lot. Then this thing got you out of the trade in profit. You do not lose anything. You didn't lose anything. This thing supported and came back again, then you would sell this thing also, because this is a break and retest. Second model right there. Still the second model is in play. Still right there too. Right? But I don't recommend you to enter again right there. After entering here, do not enter again there, because that thing almost does not happen a lot. It does not happen in a second time, right? Does not happen on the second time, so you better be careful and enter only on the first try when the market forms on the first uh, try, right? So this is TP smashed, so your entry, your stop loss below your entry, and you are in profit. Beautiful. Next, 3 candles in here in a row, connecting just like this one. This thing broke, supported, moved higher right there, right? This thing moved higher and then smashed your TP right here. Our stop loss would be above here, above your entry. You want to be in profit, right? Then TP3 is hit, I think, because this consolidation is small. Yes, right there. TP4 hit, and then this thing came back. Your stop loss would be above here, then this thing got you out of the trade, right? Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Next, what do we have? We had another consolidation around here. You can see connected like this. This thing smashed to the downside, as you can see. Beautiful trade, the same thing, right? You would do the same thing. What is this? Another consolidation, because the third candle smashed to the upside. Instead of going down, it smashed, folded up, making 3 candles. TP hit exactly right there by that candle, and this candle came back and got you out of the trade. Another consolidation here, just like this, buy, boom, supported, then another buy, because you would be out by the stop loss. Stop loss trailed to close, then another buy, boom, smashed up there, right? Then right here too, what happened here? Buy, boom, TP smashed right there, then you would get out by this candle. And here we had a sell, TP smashed right there, but it was too it was too small, as there. Consolidation, beautiful. TP smashed, boom, right there. I think TP was hit, yes. You can measure it right there to down there. As you can see, TP right there. So little bit, yes, a little bit. Your stop loss up there, so you don't care. You don't care. Then what happened? Next 3 candles right there. This thing smashed to the downside, then TP hit 50% out, stop loss below your entry. Beautiful trade right there. Then another trade there, 3 candles, buy, boom. As you can see on the same thing, buy, boom. There is no trade here, it was only 2 candles. We don't want that. We want 3 candles like this one. Boom. This thing smashed to the down, TP hit, stop loss down here, boom, smash. Halfway stop loss, boom, smashed. Halfway stop loss, then boom. Then halfway stop loss, and this thing would get you out of the trade. Beautiful. Then what happened here? Another huge consolidation right there. Huge. Then this thing came down and then went up. TP was never hit, so there's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do right there. So what you can do is you put your stop loss above your entry. That's it. That is all you have to do. And then this thing never hit your TP. It's okay. It is okay. And then we get another trade. So as you can see, and then the third candle went down. If that you didn't catch that one, then this one came down. Then your stop loss above your entry, it moved a lot. So and then this thing came back and got you out of the trade in profit. You are still in profit. You are still in profit. So you can see another consolidation right there. This thing smashed, then beautiful trade right there. The same thing. This thing is a whole lot. You have to see it on the on the broader sense, right? You have to zoom out just like this one. Zoom out and see that thing right there, right? Then you would sell that thing. TP hit. Let the other hit the TP3 right there. So TP3 was hit right there. So beautiful, beautiful trade right there. If you measure this thing, I think TP2. It was TP2, yes, not TP3, and then returned and got you out of the trade because you trailed your stop and you did great, you did good. Then this thing came back, your stop was down here, and this thing ran up again. This is the third model. You could buy up right there. I have profited a lot with this method too, right? So smash the TP right there with the third model. Then came back, and then your stop loss should be around here. Then uh, uh, the market got you out of the trade. Another trade here, 3 candles consolidation. You sell this thing, TP3 smashed right, TP4 even. Do we have anything here? 1, 2, 3, yes, because of this candle came back, and this covers the whole thing right there. This is a consolidation. As you can see, TP hit, boom, right by the fourth candle, and your stop loss down here. Beautiful trade. Right here too, the same thing. Smash the downside, TP hit, 50% halfway your stop loss. You will get out by this candle. What happened here? Right there, as you can see, what do you see? The third model. Third model, beautifully played right here. Beautifully played. So what happened here is, as you can see, the 3 candles. You could have bought that thing, right? It is the actually the fourth model, right? So this thing smashed to the upside first, and then to the downside, and then went to the upside. Never looked back. This is the third model. In profit, trailed your stop, boom, and then came back, smashed it. In profit, trailed your stop, boom, smashed it. Then enter a trade up, then in profit, trail your stop right there. Didn't move a lot, so don't trail it too close. And right there, then this thing came back support, boom. Then you trail halfway right there. This thing consolidated a lot, went up, boom, and you trail halfway right there. And then this thing came back and got you out of the trade. So that's it. Another great consolidation up there. What happened here is interesting. It is again the third model right here. I mean the fourth model, I'm sorry. The fourth model. As it crossed the upside and the downside and went upside. TP hit, actually this TP was hit beautiful, but this one didn't. Because this thing didn't hit profit. This could potentially get you out of the trade by hitting your stop loss. Then you'd enter a buy right there. TP hit and TP3 hit also. So beautiful trade right there. Even if you lose, you know what you are going to do next. So you are not losing finally. Ultimately, you do not lose. So what happens? 4 candles actually, and this thing smashed to the upside. Then you would enter what? A buy, and then you let the other run halfway right. Then this thing smashed and got you out of the trade. Right there, another trade. Boom, beautiful. Smashed to TP4 right there. TP4, I don't think it is TP4, it is TP3 actually. TP3, yes. Because this thing is just like this one. Not up there, this thing will be down here. And TP3 would be smashed right there. And we got another here, right there. 3 candles. This thing is 3 candles, so. But if you had seen the 2 candles only, you would see the third candle being formed. Then when this thing breaks, you would enter a sell, boom. Right? In sell, your stop loss will be hit, and this thing would come back. You would enter a sell again because it hit your stop loss, then sell it because of the second model. Nothing happens beyond those four models, right? Beyond just four, two candles, nothing here, and only two candles, nothing here, nothing here too, nothing here too. There is something here. There is something. Why? One, let me visualize it for you. As you can see, this is the thing. The third candle broke the upside, you enter a buy, boom. Then TP hit, and what you gonna do now? What you gonna do is you are trailing your stop up there, and this thing will get you out of the trade, right? The same thing happened here too. You sell this thing, and then what happened? It went down, right? It went down beautifully, and beautiful trade. And this thing also, the same thing. It went up, boom, smashed. Apply the same thing. This thing also the same thing, right there, right? It went down. Apply the same thing. You would be in profit in no time. And as you can see, this thing also, as you can see, trades right there. So in this case, what happened is the third model happened, a single fake out right there. You enter the buy, smash the TP, hit, trailed your stop, you are in profit, broke the downside, you enter a sell, boom, and then what happened? You trail your stop, and your stop would be hit because you trailed too close, right there. Right. Break and retest, you enter a sell again, boom. It smashed to TP right there. So you enter, you enter a buy again right here, buy, boom, TP hit, and then this thing came back and got you out of the trade. Nothing here, nothing up there. We have something here. Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful right there. Smash to TP2, TP3. I think it was TP2 to TP3. Smash to the downside. Beautiful trade right there. Next, we had a it is pretty prominent. It is prominent. It is obvious that this is a consolidation, one upon one upon one upon another. And you have seen this thing on what? On the Bitcoin, right? You have seen this thing on Bitcoin, right? I showed you on the start of the video. This thing, after forming this thing, it broke every structure and moved up. So it moved up, TP hit, boom, and your stop loss will be around here, supported, and went up again. Then you got another setup, and it is beautiful. As you can see, beautiful setup, huge candles right here, and TP smashed, and what did it do? It moved up, right? TP hit, and finally it came down to your stop loss. Then around here, what happened? The third model happened. Why? So you can see TP hit to the downside and then moved up. You enter a buy, boom. TP hit again there also. Then another consolidation. Beautiful. The same thing. We are moving up. That's why we are looking at the third model right there. So you can see sell, boom. Could have sold here, sold here. Then what happened is this thing came back. Support your stop loss up there, right? Stop loss is up there. Then it came down, hit your TP right there. Then you got another consolidation around, you can mark it just like this one. Finally broke, enter a buy. This broke and you enter a buy. TP hit in both ways, right? The same thing. Then what happened here? Huge consolidation right there. But you enter a buy around there, right there, boom, TP hit right there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Another consolidation you got there. Then what happened is And what happened is this thing first went to the upside before going down, right? On the upside, you don't care, you don't care. But in this case, it could have fooled you. It could have fooled you, because as you can see, it went to the upside, and you would think that this thing is moving up, right? So you enter the buy, your stop loss up there, and this thing could smash you to the downside. Enter a sell again, smash the TP hit right there, and your stop loss would be up there. Then this thing smashed you so beautifully. This is a 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin. It is just a little ragged, and it is not great. As you can see, it is not great. On the 4-hour time, I mean on another consolidation, I mean we got a trade where right there. So this thing sold first, right? This thing went the upside and the downside, but we never consider this thing as a consolidation in the first place. Why? Because this thing is trending, as you can see. Moved down, then moved up. Moved down, then now we are in a consolidation right here, not here. Right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select this thing. So you gotta write it in your notebook right now. Write it. Write it. A consolidation is a sideways movement, not upside, not this one, not a zigzag. This is not a consolidation, and this is not a consolidation. This is what happened right here. It moved up, it moved down. This was a consolidation, and the second one was a consolidation. But this thing came back again to the downside, right? If this thing if this thing didn't form any zigzag just like this one, it would be great. But this thing formed a zigzag, and that's not great. We want this kind of smashing one another, one candle, so only one candle. We don't want to only one candle, right? What kind of consolidation? Just like this one, folding on itself, folding on itself, just like folding on itself. It has to fold on itself. This is a consolidation. This is a consolidation. Difference. There is a difference between the two right here. This is a consolidation, folding on itself. We don't want this. This is not a consolidation. Why? As you can see, this thing happened. Moved down, moved up. Then we made a space. We don't want a space. And moved up. Right there too. And then moved up again. Then moved down. It's crazy. It is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. This is trending, so we don't want this one. But if you are trading on the higher time frames than on the daily, for example, you would see this as a consolidation. Almost three or more candles, and that is great. But this is a consolidation valid, then you can bring it here, because the trend can show you that we are moving down. So when that thing breaks, that is where we will buy, but we would buy around that one, around the box, and this thing broke, TP hit, then it retraced back. Then we got another thing. Why? Because this thing traded up and down on only candles, only a single candles moved up, single candle moved down, single candle moved up. But here, two candles moved up. We don't want that. Two candles moved down. We don't want that. We want a single candle. That makes it compact, compressed. That's what we want. TP hit, boom. Then stop loss hit, then you would get out. Right? Another consolidation. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, right? Yes, that is beautiful right there. So write it in your notebook. It is key. This is key. There is a difference between the two. And you would be, so you can see TP hit, boom, right there. Beautiful right there. So, and your stop loss will be hit too. Again, another trade. It folded on itself. So you'd sell, boom, TP3 hit. Beautiful trade. Again, another trade. Right there too. What happened here? Yes, it broke the downside, you sell, and then the 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 thing is it supported again. It came back and got you out of the trade before you'd change your mind, because it is a support zone, as you can see here. The box is key. It is a key area. So that's why it is supporting this place. So it came back, got you out of there. It went down. You could have sold that thing mm, below your entry, your stop loss. I mean, yes, your stop loss. And then supported again. Then I told you to never enter again. Okay, after entering this one, do not enter again. Okay, that is not great. Write it in your notebook. Do not enter again. Break and retest. Do not do it. Don't do it. What do we have here? We had a buy and we had a sell, right? Then what is this? This is the first model right there. This is the first model. I mean the third model. Break and retest. Single fake out, then break and retest. So second model and third model. First the third model happened, single fake out, then this smashed to the downside, and then you would have sold right here. Buy, stop loss up there, boom, got you out of the sell. Stop loss down here, boom, got you out of the. I told you to enter a sell once this thing retests. Then you would enter a sell, boom, smash to the downside. Then that is beautiful. You got another consolidation. Why? This is only a single candle right here. Consolidating a single candle, no double candles here. Just like the previous one. So you can see this thing is a huge consolidation. Then smash the upside, stop loss above there, you would get out before the TP is hit. Supported, smashed again, then you got another setup, or you would enter a buy by using the break and retest as the second model. So buy, boom, stop loss hit right there. Then I mean TP hit. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I'm a little tired, so that's why I am talking a lot of things right here. What happened here? The same thing right here. Buy, TP hit, smash, stop loss, boom. And then what happened here? On the bigger picture, we got a huge consolidation right here, right? It's huge. Smash the TP right there, stop loss around here, boom. Smashed halfway, stop loss, boom, up there, then smash halfway. This candle will get you out of the trade. What happened here? Another consolidation. You didn't enter a buy, support, boom, right there, smashed. Right? What happened there? Another consolidation. Smashed, TP, supported again, enter a buy, boom, right? So you trail your stop and this thing would go up, would continue up, another buy, TP hit, stop loss up there, then this thing smashed to the downside. This is crazy. It's crazy. Only a single setup price here. This thing, this buy, only this buy. There is nothing here, only this buy. As you can see, this thing folded up and your TP is hit, stop loss up there, and this thing smashed the downside. What do you have? Only we have this one right there up there. We forgot something. The same thing happened. This thing moved up, but it traced your stop loss hit, unfortunately here. I told you to never touch your stop loss unless this thing moves a lot, so do not touch it. Then what happened here? We got our first stop loss hit right here. So it is not 100% winning, so it is close to close. It is close, but it is not 100%. As you can see, we are in profit, but if you had trailed your stop, you would not get out, right? But this thing didn't move a lot, so do not trail it. So as you can see, nice, boom, smashed. You would profit from that. Nothing here, only two. We don't want that. Right there we had only two. This thing started from uh, the halfway, right? Halfway. But if you want, you can use this thing, right? As you can see, moved up right there. This thing moved up first, and then stop loss hit right there, up there. If you trailed it, broke the downside, you sell that thing, stop loss down here, and smashed. That is a support. Unless that thing is broken to the upside, we are still bearish. I told you that. Write it in your notebook, unless that upper band is broken by the candle, we are still bearish. If we are down, if we broke the downside, it's just a break and resist. Second model, then finally came back. We came back, and right there another support right there. So this thing melted down. There is no setup around it, right? You could consider this as a setup, but only this candle folded up and came back. It hit your TP. So, and if you scroll it up, then you would assume this as the third model, right? That's beautiful. Around here, do you see anything? Nope, nothing here. We got something in here. The same thing, the third model, TP hit, smashed, stop loss up there, boom, smash the downside, sell, boom, gone up, and then that thing supported and went down, right? Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Then what happened here is another thing, another consolidation. So right there, TP, TP was not hit, stop loss up there, so you would get out with a stop loss. Right there too, another trade. And see TP hit up there, move to the downside, sell, TP hit again. Okay, another consolidation right there, right? So right there, boom, up there, and this thing went up, TP hit, stop loss up there, then smashed you to the downside. Smashed you to the downside. Do we have any consolidation? Yes. Up there, this thing broke the downside. What happened is when it broke the downside, then you sell. Nothing here. Something around there. Something around there. You connect it just like this one. And you sell this thing, boom. Stop loss around here. This will get you out. Another setup. Boom. Right. Nice profit. Another setup. Right there. Beautiful. Nice boom. Support. Then boom. We moved up. So that's great. That's great. Right there was a nice consolidation too. This thing moved down. Right. This thing supported. Right. This thing moved, but we are still in a consolidation because you can see it. So you could buy this thing, buy, then stop loss up there, then smashed you out of the trade, right? Another consolidation here. You could sell this thing and TP hit riser, stop loss up there, smashed you out. So that's the same things. Right there, nice buy. Right there, nice buy. Upside, not good right there. Right there, good. Right there was great. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. We are in 2020 May, June, July, August. So it will be a long video. I think. Where do we are? 1 hour and 14 minutes. Okay, let's go. Let's go and let's pump it. I think we can finish this thing if we use some kind of marker or something, right? So nice trade right there, as you can see. I'm sorry. Oh, you use like right there. You can see nice trade. Boom. You buy, right? Supported and then boom. You did your tip. Right there, another buy, right? Then boom, your TP is hit, right? Then next what happened is the same thing. You can look at that yourself. So you can see nice trade right there. Boom, TP is hit right there, and it went down right there to the same thing. Smashed, 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 and then finally found something. As you can see, this place is some kind of support right there. So I mean black box right. So it went up. You come back here. You can come back here right there. You can see huge consolidation right there. Then what happened? This thing broke the downside right there, right? You enter a sell, boom, smashed. Another consolidation right there, right? You enter a buy, smashed it, and stop loss it. Another consolidation. It's everywhere. Sell. Beautiful. Beautiful, right? Then consolidation. Sell it. Buy it. Sell it. Right? Do we have anything? Yes, sell it. Sell this thing. What do we have? Nothing. We have something there. Buy. Sell. You know what I am trying to do, right? You know what I am trying to do. Bitcoin is showing us everything. It's telling us everything. As you can see, consolidation, buy. You can buy that thing. And then it smashes the downside, right? By this candle. Then sell, rise there. TP hit, rise there. Then this supported, and you could sell that thing because this is break and retest. Boom, smashed. What happened here? It is trending, moving up, so nothing. There is nothing. There is something. What do you do here? You buy. And then what do? You sell. Okay, the connection is having troubles. Sorry for that. Then you sell that thing, right? What do we have here? We have 2 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles. You buy that thing, right? It refreshed again. It's crazy. It's crazy. So as you can see, it is everywhere. The black box is everywhere, so you can use it. Okay, you can use it. So the main takeaway here is you have to trade your stops, right? You gotta trade your stop after it has moved a significant move. You have to trade your stop. You have to. So that is the main takeaway. And 50% will be out at the first TP. You have to know this. Write it on your notebook. 50% out, right? And let the other 50% run, and your stop loss above or below your entry. So you would be in profit if the market reverses, right? So you'd be trading without any worry. Without any worry, there is nothing you are afraid. Nothing to be afraid of. And you can add the higher time frame, like if you are trading on the 2 hour, you can find the black box on the daily. Find the black box on the weekly. I have showed you. I have found the black box on the weekly on the Bitcoin. That's how I exactly predicted what the Bitcoin is gonna do, and it did that, right? So you have seen it on the start of the video, and on every video I tell you that the black box has a huge win rate. It has a huge win rate, and if that something does not happen, then you have a reason. You have a reason. So there needs to be some reason why something happens. Like if there is no reason, then you will be confused and you will be left with nothing, and you will be bored, right? Because you don't know what's going on and you don't know how to participate, you don't know how to take profit, you don't know what to do with what the market is doing and what it is gonna do next, right? You don't know nothing. So we are close, and let's just see a little bit, and we will be closing the video because it is very long. As you can see, nice buy and sell right there. If you see it on a bigger picture, it is no buy, there is no buy because you can connect the whole thing right there. And as you can see, there is no buy, it's all a consolidation right here, faking then sell, boom, we got a nice consolidation around here, then you buy, then right here too. Oh, this is not a consolidation, I'm sorry, that is not a consolidation right there because only two candles, right? There are only two candles, so nothing. Then we have something here. What happened right here? It's sold, right? We sold it. Then this thing consolidated again. Then it sold again, right? Still the same thing right here too. Huge consolidation. Connect everything. Connect everything. Leave alone some weeks. It connect everything right here. We do have some consolidation. Buy. We do have some consolidation. Sell. This is the third model that you are seeing right here. Boom, and went up. So what is here? Nothing. We have something here. Buy, smash TTP, another consolidation, sell, smash TTP, another consolidation, sell, and then what? Buy, smashed. Consolidation, buy, smashed. Consolidation, it is a long one, and buy, smashed your TP. Then sell, smashed your TP, right? Beautiful. Let's come around here. Find another one. This the child can even understand, right? You know how to find this stacked consolidated uh, handles, as you can see right here. Nice buy, boom, TP hit, then this thing came back, right? Then nice sell, boom. What do we have here? A sell, boom, right there. Do we have here? A sell right there. The same thing here too. Nice sell, then what happened? It happened to be a buy. Then nice sell right there. Then nice buy. It's everywhere. Nice buy. You buy this thing too, right? Then you come back and you find another. You find another one, right? What is our marker? Right there. Nice consolidation, support, boom. Nice consolidation, boom. Nice consolidation. Then this finally to the upside, trail your stop, cash you out, then boom, trail your stop, and then this came back to your TP. Boom to your TP, boom to your TP, boom to your tip is the downside, boom to your tip is the upside, boom to your tip is the downside. It's beautiful. It's crazy how it works. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's come back here. Nice. Nice sell. Nice sell. Right? Nothing here, two candles on it. No, nothing here. Buy. Beautiful buy right there. Beautiful sell right there. Beautiful sell right there. Beautiful buy right there. Beautiful buy right there. Beautiful uh buy right there, right? And then right there too, beautiful buy, right? Amazing. It's everywhere. Then what happened here? That is not a buy, only two candles. We don't want that. Come back here. We have 3 because this thing traded down. Boom, smashed. Came back. Still we are in. What the hell is going on? It wants us to refresh again. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. The same thing here too. It came back. Sell the third model. This thing started from the bottom. This is nice first model. Boom. This is a consolidation still. Don't touch anything. It is still consolidating. We don't touch anything. Boom. We sell. Then it came back. This is the third model right here. Boom. Smashed it beautifully. So this is so great. This is so amazing. As you can see. As you can see. Now we are moving and moving and moving. You can see we are moving to our TP riser. So it's beautiful. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. So I have to go back now again. It is so crazy. I don't know what to do with this trading platform. It is so annoying. It refreshes everything every second, like there is something that. Alright, if this thing does not represent, we would stop, right? So we were great, but we are smashing it great. But let's go, let's go, let's go. We can finish this thing in no time. I have explained everything what to do in the first part, so there is nothing to explain again, so you can watch it again. Then I have explained this thing. Nice by riser to riser, buy, boom, then sell, buy, no, sell first, sell, then buy, riser, the third model, sell, riser, sell, buy, and then sell, sell, sell. Then what do we have here? Buy, then what? Then sell, riser, it's sold, then buy, riser. You got a buy. Then this is the whole consolidation, and then what happened? It went down, you sell, and it went up, you buy. Then you sell riser too. Riser, nothing here, still consolidating, you sell riser. Come on, if this thing refreshes now, then we will start from the beginning, alright, where Bitcoin is trading now, and we work our way to the left, right? Then I will finish the video, right? So as you can see, what nice buy riser. Really, oh my. I'm sorry guys, I'm having trouble connecting to this connection, so I think you have grasped what the black box needs, right? I think I have showed you what the black box needs, right? So all right, where is my right? So I think the camera is even closing on me, so I think I will stop right here, and I will see you in the next time. Okay, so thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you next.